All right, what we're installing here is our dragon scale valley. And the reason it's called the dragon scale, as you can see here, it has that dragon scale look. This valley piece works from a 212 to a 1212 pitch. So what you do is you run your tiles all the way over, your glass tile, as far into the valley as you can. And then these tiles are going to cover up to 9 inches. So you've got plenty of space in here. You want to add your support. That way when you add your dragon scale tile onto it, it won't get pushed down and out of place. Also, you have this little clip down here that is going to slide underneath your tiles, and these little tabs up here that are going to fold over the top. So what we're going to do is set it in the valley like so and slide it up into place. So it's nice and supported. You're going to bend over your tab, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put a couple screws here in place. We're going to reach in and find our support, which is right down in here. I'm going to put a screw in the top of that, just to kind of help hold it in place. And you can see there it's nice and firm. And then our next dragon scale is going to come over, kind of like you see here, and cover up all your screws, and you're good to go.